Well, I have to say, guys, this is a very interesting title for an article that was published on the Lamestream News. Now, this article was published on Reuters on the 20th of March 2013, and it's titled, "Large Asteroid Heading to Earth? Pray, says NASA." NASA Chief Charles Bolden has advice on how to handle a large asteroid headed toward New York City. Pray. That's about all the United States, or anyone else for that matter, could do at this point about unknown asteroids and meteors that may be on a collision course with Earth, Bolden told lawmakers at a US House of Representatives Science Committee hearing on Tuesday. Now, I find it really interesting that they are bringing forward this information, because to me it shows that they really don't hold all the cards. They really are not infallible. And there is no way of protecting us against these asteroids and incoming objects. So what we need to do is depend on ourselves. Listen to our instincts. Really, that is what they have done the whole time they've programmed and indoctrinated us. It is to remove us from our instincts and totally rely on them for information and to tell us what to do. What we've got to do is actually reconnect with our instincts, because if we're listening to our instincts, then we will know where to go to seek shelter in times of these events. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people aren't listening to their instincts. And a lot of people just basically consume information from wherever it is relayed to them, be that the lamestream media or even YouTube. And the reason that I want to bring this to your attention is that I have seen this article doing the rounds today. And it's basically in regards to a supposed scientist that's working for an astronomy department, and how he has information that we are going to be hit by an incoming asteroid that is going to basically be an extinction level event. Now, firstly, you'd think that anyone that was sending a letter that was going to save the world, he would actually use spell check, because he hasn't even bothered to capitalize some of his letters here. And you'd also think that someone that knew with absolute fact and no doubt that we were actually heading for an extinction level event in 7 days, that he would really bother staying anonymous. I mean, it doesn't really make logical sense. So this is just disinformation. This is just somebody that has decided to create some fear, probably because they did see this article. Now, once again, I'm not sure why they are releasing this information, but I do think that a lot of these incoming objects are on the debris path of Comet ISON, and that as Comet ISON starts closing in on us, we are going to start experiencing more and more of these incoming objects. I mean, we had 4 asteroids buzz our planet very, very closely in 1 week. And this is not something that happens all the time. We are definitely seeing an increase of these asteroids and other objects coming very close to our planet, or actually into our atmosphere. And really, they only report on what they can't hide, just like the Russian event. Now, for anyone that thinks that the military or the power elite have these, technically advanced weapons that can shoot meteors or asteroids out of the sky, well, you are really kidding yourself. They do not have any of this technology. There is no way they could shoot down these meteors. And that meteor that was over Russia and it looked to have something smash it or explode, through it, that was actually a hoax. So seriously, there is no way that they can basically shoot these down. That is just Hollywood, that is fantasy, and it's not going to play out in reality. What people need to start doing is listening to their instincts, as I said, and that means connecting back in with yourself and not relying on the information of others to tell you whether a news article is correct or whether information is factual. You should be able to look at articles like this and deduce logically that it is untrue. Anyway, guys, I will post the article underneath the video and you can check that out for yourself. But I think that we definitely have to start paying attention to our instincts. That is what is going to protect us in these times. They cannot do a damn thing, and they know it. And as always, take care and peace out.